Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will show you guys how to get a modded version of the Vita homebrew browser which uses a different website to get the apps. So if you guys want to get this, all you need is Vita shell, so go ahead and just start that up. When it loads, press select, connect your PS Vita to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. Right guys, so over on your computer I will leave a link to the PS Vita homebrew browser mod in the description of this video, and as you can see it's got something else added to it. So normally it would just have the normal kind of app stores, but it's got a new host on there. It's got the Vita homebrew wiki, and this is actually a new website I believe, and it has kind of like games, emulators. I think it's a bit glitchy right now actually, but it does pretty much work. As you can see, I have no idea what's going on with it right now, but it should work over on the PS Vita. So if you guys want to get this, you want to scroll down, you want to click on the GitHub right here, and it will bring you out to the GitHub page, and all you want to do is just click on the VPK file right here and it will begin downloading. So this is kind of new, hasn't really been out for that long, I think about 10 days. Last update was 2 days ago. So once that has finished downloading, go to your downloads folder and find the VPK, and let's just drag and drop this onto the root of our PS Vita. So once that is copied across, that is it. Now let's go back onto it, install it, and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so back on your PS Vita, what we're going to do is just look for the application and then install it. So it will be on my UXO, here it is. Let's just press X, X again for yes, and then X a third time, and then it should just start installing. So it should only take about 2 seconds, so just wait for it to install. Now once it's done, let's close out of Vita shell and let's just find the app on our home screen. Now you can actually use both versions, so you can have this one right here and you can also have the original one both on your PS Vita. You can basically keep both of them. Obviously this is the modded version, so let's just go and start this up right now. Let's just wait for it to load, and then I will be able to show you guys that all of the apps are from the kind of like Wicker app store. Okay, so as you can see, we've got different stuff on here that you would normally have. So we've got games, ports, emulators, utilities, and it's all the different stuff. So we've got like Discord on here, some like pretty much apps which aren't actually on the other store. So yeah, that is actually quite cool. Now obviously we can install something, so let's install a game, maybe like, I don't know, should we just get a random game, 4 rows, something like that. So you can just tap on it or just press X on it. And now you can just tap on download. So what this is going to do is just start downloading the VPK. It should install it for you as well. Once it says finished, you can wait, you can press circle to go back and you can install some more stuff. But let me just show you, if I close out of this, the new VPK will be on our home screen automatically and we can just start it up. So I have no idea what this game is, it looks pretty terrible to be honest, but you guys get the idea. It's another app store. You can find some applications which might not be on the normal version, and yeah, you can get emulators, ports, and all of that kind of stuff. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.